Master's of Science in Education program in Higher Education Leadership and Policy Studies is aimed at working professionals. We have a flexible, fully online asynchronous program, so people who work in higher education, they can find time to take our program. The curriculum in our master's program covers a lot of different areas that are of importance to people who want to become leaders in colleges and universities. We faculty work really hard to make sure that our students are connecting with each other and with the people who are teaching the course, so the students get to know their classmates really well and they build those sort of lifelong friendships and professional networks. The students who graduate from our program go on to many different roles in colleges and universities across the region, across the country. Our faculty have experience in all these different areas of higher education. In the doctoral program, our faculty work very closely one-to-one with students to help get them through the program in their dissertation phase, working with students on a topic that is of interest to them.
The academic advisors are outstanding, practicing, working professionals that are really training us to be the next wave of leaders. You're investing in yourself, and as cliched as that might sound, when you're investing in yourself, you want the best. And so when you're looking around for programs and you're looking for an investment, you go for the greatest model. And so looking at the great model out there, Hofstra was the best model for me.
Sign up to attend a graduate admission event, connect with an admission dean, or apply for admission. Take the next step and earn your graduate degree at Hofstra.